Mana nyajoja oko, mani lugo ni tabasuri, sacco, nyakora mgajuang. Ipa iwachoga pile ni jo masawa loyo joluo gi weche mag ohala kod sacco. Wadhi wane giwang'o gwenge ma NYERI ni chal nade.
Naam, asante Lydia kutoka upande wako wa studio, na hii leo katika kaunti ya NYERI nitakuwa nazungumza na sacco moja ambayo iliyoko mjini NYERI, eneo la kati, likiwa ni mojawapo ya maeneo mengi nchini ambayo yamekumbatia masuala ya kuwekeza na kuchukua mikopo kujikuza. Nazungumza na afisa wa kukuza biashara katika sacco ambayo inajulikana kama New 40s ambayo iliyo hapa katika kaunti ya NYERI. Na bwana Philip, nataka tuanze na wewe kutueleza New 40s ni kina nani?
New 40s ni sacco yenye ilianza mwaka wa 1976 na ilianzishwa na 857 members. These are drawn from the teachers from primary, from secondary and tertiary level. They came together and formed the New 40 Sacco. They started with a very major contribution of 20 shillings per month, and they grew. So formerly they started as NYERI Teacher Sacco, but in 2015 the Sacco was rebranded, and the reason for rebranding was to welcome the members who came from other sectors of the economy.
Na hapa pa kurebrand bwana Philip, unaweza kutueleza vision na mission yenu ni gani?
On the vision side, it is to be a leading financial institution in providing efficient and competitive products and services in Kenya at large, to enhance the customers' confidence and sustain the economic development through prudence management and innovation at competitive rates and attain their objectives and aspirations.
Mlianza na wanachama 800. Sasa pengine unaweza kutuambia mko wanachama wangapi na ni juhudi gani ambayo sacco zinashika kukuza local economies?
As at December, that is in 2025, we closed with a number of 24,234 members. The reason of this growth is that we have encouraged a saving culture in a structured and a disciplined manner. What I mean with the structured and disciplined manner, this is whereby members are allowed to make deposits of their savings and to save every month. And this one will help members to build an emergency fund in a manner that when they have a need, they can, because they have saved with us, they can access emergency funds if they need. Another thing is that we give them an opportunity to plan for their emergencies, contingencies, things like school fees, and also to grow and develop themselves. We are able to give loans without collateral. Because you see, as you continue savings, as you continue boosting your savings, because you are getting dividends, you are getting interest at the end of every year, this one will also increase and improve your wealth. So as the time goes by, our members are able to acquire assets. They are able even to educate their children, and we say also education is wealth. They are able even to improve their farming, better agricultural practices. They can also be able to even build wealth, creating engagements like building rental houses, and all these they comprises to wealth creation.
Umezungumzia mambo ya wealth. Kuna mtu anaweza kujiuliza kwa wale wanachama wa mwanzo, hii leo asset base ya New 40s iko namna gani? Zile dividends ambazo umeweza kuwapa wanachama zinakaa vipi katika juhudi za kuhakikisha kwamba local economies zinakuwa?
Kwa sasa hivi asset base ya New 40s iko 13.1 billion Kenya shillings. This is what is owned by the members of New 40 Sacco. And because of this, we were able, at the end of year 2025, we were able to pay against that wealth and the business we do amongst our members. We were able to pay dividends at a 14% on share capital and interest of 13% on member deposit. And this was distributed and shared amongst our members. So you'll find whatever was shared, which is in excess of 1 billion, has gone into the economy of Nyeri. Hence, you are finding the progress in our villages, you are finding progress in our towns.
Safari yote nzuri haikosi changamoto. Pengine unaweza kutatajia kati ya changamoto ambazo mmekumbana nazo kwenye safari hii ya kuikuza sacco ya New Forties mpaka the institution it is today?
Maybe you get a loan which have been defaulted here and there. The other issue is that you find the member is maybe highly indebted and overruns in the payslip. So we also advise these members, instead of overdependence, they can look at opportunities of growth. With the money that we give them, they invest in income-generating activities and assets.
Lastly, what would you say is the role of SACCOs in developing and improving livelihoods across the country, not just Nyeri?
The sacco has been able to pull the person who is downtrodden and have uplifted them to respectable position in the society. So what the sacco has been able to do is able to touch even that person down there with a major income and assist them to have a disciplined saving culture, and that disciplined saving culture will give them a deposit base, and this member deposit base and that saving culture, they will be able to grow the wealth, and also they get inclusion in they get financial inclusion within the society. So the SACCOs have been able to save them from this high interest borrowing. They are saved from predatory lenders, and this will make them save a coin so that they can afford school fees, they can afford to partake their projects, and also they can build wealth and get interest and dividends in future, which can help them to cushion them in their lives.
Na asante sana Bwana Philip na Lydia. Tumekuwa tukizungumza na Bwana Philip ambaye ni afisa wa kukuza biashara kwenye sacco ya New Forties, ambayo ni moja wapo ya sacco nyingi hapa katika kaunti ya Nyeri, kwenye mada yetu ya leo ya juhudi ama nafasi ambayo sacco zinashika katika jamii. Nirejeshe upande wako wa studio.
Shukran sana kama Mwangi nyakora mgajuang mwana kaka chal nitiere hegwenge Manyeri. Patrick, uneno giwangu kaka penyrengo. Hawa chako gioma bay kato wadhe Mombasa.